Om Swastiastu. My name is Igusti Ngurah Putu Satya Pramana Untung. I want to explain about kinds and types of text. Number 1. The provide result in the form of a single score or at best 2 or 3 subscore. One for each part of the test, which is sufficient for the gatekeeper role they play in accepting or rejecting one's journey to the next stage of the journey. A common example of standardized proficiency test is the test of English as a foreign language, or TOEFL, produced by the Educational Testing Service. Assignment to be performed by text must be a valid example of the use of English in the specific context. Certain proficiency tests can play a role in the role of placement tests, the purpose of which is to place students into a particular level or of a curriculum or language school. The placement tests usually, but not always, include sampling of material to be covered in various courses in the curriculum. The student performance on the test should indicate the point at which the student will find the material not too easy or too difficult but challenging enough. The first part of the test serves as a reading comprehension test and writing test summary. The second part requires students to express opinions and support them. Thus, that's from a major component of the diagnostic test. Diagnostic tests are designed to diagnose certain aspects of a language. A test in pronunciation, for example, might diagnose a phonological feature of English that is difficult for the learner and should therefore be part of the curriculum. Typically, the test offers a list of features for administrators, often teachers, to use in indicating difficulties. Achievement tests analyze the extent to which students have acquired features of the language that have been taught. Diagnostic tests should obtain information about that students need to work on in the future. In a curriculum that has a form-focused phase, for example, a diagnostic test might offer information on learner acquisition of verb forms, modal auxiliaries, definite article, relative clause, and the like. Examples of subcategories are shown in this list for the first categories: stress and rhythm. Emphasis on wrong syllables or in multisyllable words. Wrong sentence emphasis. Division of incorrect sentence into groups of thought. Failure to make smooth transition between words or syllables. Prator. Each subcategory is appropriately referenced to chapter and section of the Prator manual. Achievement tests are or should be limited to specific material covered in the curriculum within a specific time frame and offered after the course. Focus on the intent objective. A common example of standardized proficiency test is the test of English as Porrickman or TOEFL.